Welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. And today we'll talk about how you can get into Harvard University, arguably one of the best universities in the world. So let's get into it. First, let's get it to know what does Harvard want from you. So, Harvard is really looking for the best fit for the university. So, you will require top academic scores. You need to also show leadership and passion in extracurricular activities, demonstrate a deep interest just beyond school, like community service, personal projects, anything you can think of. And finally, they want problem solvers. They want people who think out of the box. So, show them how you stand out and why they should get you. The academic requirements are as such: it is crazy competitive. So you are thinking about students applying who have made top of their classes, valedictorians, made it to the dean's list. So you will need a high GPA, aim for an A average, especially in challenging AP courses or IB or A levels or your grade 12th. Standardized tests. So for students, you need to write SAT or ACT. It is a must. Sometimes they do waive off these requirements, so do check the site before you apply. But for SAT, you need at least above 1500, and for ACT, it is at least 35, 33 to 35 or more than that. English proficiency exams. If English isn't your first language, you will need to take either TOEFL or IELTS. Harvard usually prefers 100 plus in TOEFL or 7.5 plus in IELTS. Transcripts and recommendation. Have your school directly send transcripts to Harvard. Let them hear about you from your teachers. They want to know the real you. They want to know you're passionate. They want to know you're focused. Next comes show passion outside of the classroom. It is very important. They are not looking for just the best students, but they're also looking for people who will give back to the community, who are eager to help, think outside the box, have a lot of extracurriculars, join clubs and sports or teams, start something new, anything that can set you apart. Awards and achievements. Compete in local or international competitions, whether it's science fair, debates, coding challenges, hackathon, anything you can think about. Sky's the limit. Next comes the difficult part, the interview round. It is one of the most interviews you're going to give. So prepare accordingly. Practice common questions like why Harvard? Why do you want to go there? What will you contribute to the society? Be passionate. Talk about your interests. Talk about what you love. Talk about what interests you. Stay calm. It is an interview conversation, not an interrogation. They just want to get to know you better and know that you are the right fit for the university. Ask questions. Have doubts? Ask questions. Show them that you're genuinely interested in it. Then comes financial aid for international students. So, Harvard does have some good financial aid programs for international students. Look into it, think about it, and you can also think of there are a lot of places which provide scholarship outside of the university. Think about it, look into those, and see what you can avail. Then there is submitting your application on time. Remember that early actions are by November 1st and regular actions is by December January 1st. Remember, Howard doesn't take late applications. Set reminders, be organized, and make sure you submit the perfect resume that you can submit. And it might seem hard right now, but you will get into it. They are not only looking for the best academics, they're also looking for passionate people. So you got this. If you have any doubts or queries, drop down comments below and we would be happy to help you.